Good morning, students. I hope that you will be safe in this winter season. Students, you also suffer from COVID-19 disease. Students, today I am going to start online classes of biology. Okay, now we will discuss about the new chapter, that is heredity and evolution. Okay, science biology. Chapter 4, according to side book. Chapter 4, heredity and evolution. Heredity and evolution. Students, in this chapter we will discuss about the only heredity topic. Okay, because evolution is not in your syllabus. Okay, now heredity. First of all, what is heredity? Okay, heredity heredity is the transmission of heredity is the transmission of characters from transmission of characters from one generation to another generation. That is transfer of characters, transfer of transfer of characters from parents to their offspring, from parents to their offspring, their offspring. What is heredity? Offspring. What is heredity? Heredity is the transfer or transmission, is the transmission of characteristics, characteristics or traits or features from one generation to another generation, that is transfer of characters from parents to their offspring, their offsprings. Okay? Now, next topic related to heredity, that is genetics. Genetics. What is genetics? Genetics genetics the branch of biology, the branch of biology that deals with the study about that deals with the study about heredity and variation, about heredity and variation it's called genetics. It's called genetics. Okay? What is genetics? The branch of biology that deals with the study about heredity and variation is called genetics. Okay? And the term genetics was coined by Watson. Was coined by Watson. The term genetics was coined by Watson. Okay, students, the term genetics was coined by Watson. Okay, now Gregor John Mendel, regarded as the father of genetics. Sir Gregor John Mendel, regarded as the father of genetics. Regarded as the father of genetics. Students, I repeat again, heredity. What is heredity? Heredity is the transfer of characters from parents to their offspring. And what is the genetic? The branch of biology that deals with the study about heredity and variation is known as genetics. And who coined the term genetics? Watson coined the term genetics. And who is regarded as the father of genetics? Sir Gregor John Mendel, regarded as the father of genetics. Okay, students, in next part of this video, we will discuss about some more topics of this chapter. Okay.